Certainly. If you are starting from scratch with Python, here's a structured tutorial to help you learn effectively. We'll break it down into steps, covering fundamental concepts, practical exercises, and useful resources along the way. Step 1: Setting up your environment. 1. Install Python. Download the latest version of Python from Python.org apps. Python.org downloads. During installation, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Choose an IDE or text editor. You can use an integrated development environment IDE like pycharm, a powerful IDE for professional developers. Xcode, a lightweight editor with excellent support for Python. Jupyter Notebook, great for data science and interactive coding. Alternatively, you can start with a simple text editor like Notepad or Sublime Text. Step 2: Learn the basics. 1. Basic syntax. Start with basic syntax, variables, and data types. Control structures. Learn about conditionals and loops. Looping for I in range 5, print iteration I3. Functions. Understand how to create and use functions. Data structures. Learn about lists, dictionaries, sets, and tuples. File I/O. Learn how to read from and write to files. Reading from a file with open example t, RAS file, content file, read print content. 2. Error handling. Understand how to manage exceptions. Modules and libraries. Learn how to import and use libraries. Classes and objects. Python class dog definite self, name self, name def bark self, return self, name says wolf. Step 5: Advanced topics. 1. Working with external libraries. Use pip to install libraries. Data analysis and visualization. Explore libraries like pandas and matplotlib. Build projects. Create small projects to apply what you've learned. Some ideas include a simple calculator, a to-do list application, a web scraper, a simple website using Flask. 2. Practice coding. Use platforms like LeetCode, LeetCode, come HackerRank Hups, HackerRank, come Codecademy Hups, Codecademy, come Learn Python 3. Step 7: Keep learning. 1. Online resources. Free online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udemy. Books like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swagart. Join communities. Engage with communities on platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit or Learn Python, or Discord servers focused on Python. Conclusion: learning Python is a journey that involves practice and exploration. By following this structured approach, leveraging resources, and building projects, you will develop a strong understanding of Python. Remember, consistency is key, so keep coding regularly